Yo guys, what's up? What's up? It's day 22 of the December challenge. Going strong. 8 more days to go to 2026. We thank God for taking us through this year. Kumekuwa na challenges, kumekuwa na disappointments, kumekuwa na failures, kumekuwa na mistakes, kumekuwa na confusion, kumekuwa na kusota, kumekuwa na mambo mingi. Lakini at the end of it all, bado uko tu hapa alive and kicking. So most of the problems zenye unafikiria ziko kwa kichwa yako. They are not real. You can still survive. You can still move on. You can still chase your purpose. Despite the challenges, despite the failures, despite the mistakes. So today I want to talk about respect. Respect is very paramount for you as a person. People will treat you how you allow them. If you allow people to walk on you, they will walk on you. So people are a reflection of your character, no, especially in relationships with people. Even if you are dating, you need to ask yourself, can that woman talk to her boss the way she talks to you? So if she can submit to her boss and talk to her boss in a very respectful tone, very kind tone, then why then can she not talk to you with the same respect, with the same tone, with the same kind? Yeah. So that means there is a lack of respect. So respect starts with how people talk to you first, not even the actions. Unajua wanasemanga tuangalie actions. No, it is how do people talk to you. You need to learn to set boundaries. Cheki, mi hautaniongelesha vile unataka. Unacheki, mimi hautaniongelesha vile unataka. Hiyo ni kitu ya kwanza. Hivyo ndo respect inakuwa, na respect ni two way. Siwezi kuja nikukosee and then I demand respect from you. Haiwezi work hivyo. Unaona? So that is what you need to learn, especially for people wenye wako kwa relationships, ama you are looking to start maybe a family, a marriage. When you are looking at your partner, ensure that they respect you first before they love you. For me nasemanga, I don't want you to love me. I want you to respect me. Because respect is a form of love. Inaonyesha that people understand your boundaries. They understand your limit. Mtu tu hawezi kuja na issue zake ati mi nakuanga sijui naanga issue, so mi nakuanga sijui hivi. Basi mbona hawezi enda apelekee boss wake hizo issues? Wewe unakubali aje kuletewa issues za mtu ako na trauma, sijui ako na nini? Mbona asipelekee boss wake, lakini wewe anataka kukuletea? So you need to look at such things. Respect ni kitu ya maana, and the one thing you need to learn is to walk away. Ukiwa mahali na ufeel disrespected, just walk, toka na